I decided to come to college because I tried the first year of sixth form and I struggled throughout school really. It just wasn't the right environment for me. So I decided to come to college and it just turned out to be the better option because even though I'm still in education, I get the choice to do what I want.
My favourite part of the course would be the health and social care side. So you kind of learn about things that you've experienced yourself, like people around you are experiencing, so it's quite nice to know about it, know what's going on.
The facilities are amazing. There's so many different options and opportunities. You can get booked into the computer room whenever you want, and there's student welfare where you can go to if you have any problems, so that's really helpful as well.
Obviously health and social care, you have to care for people. I care for my nana sometimes, so learning to do things that is going to help me care for her, I class that as special for me, so I think learning to just care for people in this course is quite special.
My favourite part has probably been learning the skills on the ward because it's going to help me when I go to uni to do nursing, so it feels like I'll have a head start.
I think college has changed me in the aspect of how confident I am now. I feel like I can talk to literally anyone I see in the class, like I'm not held down by anything. Yeah, I'd just say it's a massive boost in your confidence.
The tutors have been amazing, they're really understanding and they have tutors from all different backgrounds, which is really helpful because there's so many different types of people here, so they're always able to help and they're always on hand. If you need anything, they're there for you. My advice would be, don't be scared, because at the end of the day you're coming here for the greater good and to make yourself a better person in the future. Don't be nervous because there's no need to be, because it's probably the most accepting environment I've ever been in, so you don't need to worry about that.